Actually, this is the first time that I know about gimbal and the first time I ever had a gimbal. So I unboxed one. I bought and I'm kind of happy with my purchase. So I'm going to insert my unboxing video of my gimbal right now. So here it is, my gimbal. So this gimbal came with a free case. In other shop, you need to buy this separately and it costs 600 pesos. So it's really, of course, going to cost you money. But in this shop, I get it for discount. I get it with discount and of course a free case. So I've got this for 1,900. Originally the price is 2,000. However, I got a discount voucher, 100 pesos off. So I got it for 1,900 and it's free shipping. So of course, grab the opportunity. And yeah, this is my gimbal. Well, I still never had tried to use this filming to film any videos yet because I don't have any chance to, as we are not yet allowed to go outside, or I have never chance to go outside and film this and use this. So maybe soon I'm going to do another vlog just showing you how this gimbal works and how to use these gimbals, and of course to show you all of the features that you could do with this, because it has a separate app for it has a separate app for you to use. And so far the functions are okay, the functions are all working, there's no defect, and I'm hoping that there's not. The charging, the charge is good. Yeah, that's all I can say yet, because again, I really don't have any idea about this. I'm just going to learn using this soon once I started vlogging outside. Yeah. And of course, I want to share to you my review about this very soon again once I already went outside. not to brag or in any cases like that. It's just that I'm really grateful that I had this for the very first time, even though I really don't have any idea how to use this. And I know that it's going to be very, very usable with church, work, and school, and also with my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's it. That is for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'm really hoping, and of course for the best, and for my for my subscribers and my viewers, I'm really hoping that I will give you a lot of content soon once we're allowed to go outside, once the quarantine and lockdown has been lifted. I have a lot of video and YouTube content ideas in my head. It's just that I don't have time to do all of it, and it kind of frustrates me. So just stay tuned, please. So if you're not yet subscribed in my YouTube channel, please do so. You can click the subscribe button and of course the bell button. Like this video and also give a comment, because I love reading your comments, and also do reply to every comments. Well, not in every comments, but I do love reading them. And be friends with me. I also have my social media here. I only have Instagram. I don't want to share my Facebook to you all because I'm not really active to that social media. I just have the Instagram, so just follow me. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye!